In this video, I'm going to show you how to find coupon codes for Chuck E. Cheese. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, I'm going to go to Google here, and from the Google search bar, I'm going to type in coupons for Chuck E. Cheese. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on search. And now when I scroll down the search results, you're going to have a few different third-party websites offering coupon or promo codes. So you got Realtime, Groupon, Coupon Cabin, We Thrift It, etc. So any one of these will work, but one website I like to use with this company is We Thrift It. So I'm going to click onto We Thrift It. So if I scroll down, I can see 15% off store-wide, 15% selected items. So you can even show the history of these coupon deals. So as you can see here, total was 7 uses today. If I scroll down, show history, 3 total users. And to copy these codes and activate these deals, simply click on copy code. And now that's been copied to your clipboard. And now when you're on the checkout section of Chuck E. Cheese, paste that code in to receive the 15% off that order.